Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm just showing you uh, the level of measurements on this thing before I turn around and show you how I'm measuring here. So I got this. Basically, I have made this thing for the quick release thing, so I can measure run out on either the check body or the pieces in the tool. This is smooth because I had this chucked up here, and I ran it at the highest speed this thing will go, which is about 1,000 RPM. A little, maybe just barely more, but about 1,000 RPM. And so I sanded this smooth using this here, which is 180. Yeah, 180. So I used that with some oil, and then sanded it smooth, and then I flipped it around and stuck it in there to see if, because maybe if being smooth after sanded would help with the chuck grabbing it and not wobbling it, and it didn't make a difference. But anyway, so what I noticed here is when I run this in here, I get, looks like about 2 thousandths run out, and that's with this thing just on the chuck body. Okay, so that right there might be just a little glitch, because it goes from there, right? It goes from there, and then it goes in and right back out. So that might just be where from, or a low spot because of where this is turned. So let me see. And after we pass that slide, it goes out. Of course, when we hit that right there, we get a little disturbance. So it's looking like about a half a thou. I'm guessing about a half a thou or 1 thou. I don't know. Is each one of those a 1,000th run out? Because damn it. Fuck. There we go. Yeah. So it's looking about 1,000ths. So that's about 1,000ths. Each one of those little ticks is about 1,000th run out, right? And that's a lot. And that's just on the chuck body run out. I mean, I can't get in here to the spindle where the chuck, it's a D15 chuck, on this old Pratt & Whitney. Pratt & Whitney 12 by 30. See? Okay. You'll get old Model B. Anyway, so, yeah, it's just, anyway, so if I run this over here, right there like so, hopefully those chucks, yeah, okay, so that just barely clears that. Okay, so let's see that right there? That's fucking crazy run out. That's almost 10 thousandths right there, right? And that's close to the chuck. If I go out this way, it'll be even worse. Yeah, there's 20 plus 5. That's like 30 thousandths run out almost. Ah, fuck. Anyway, you guys get what I'm dealing with here. Okay, so like I said, this here was chucked up in here, and I loosened it up after. Oh, I mean, I flipped it around after sanding it down, and then so let's stick this back in this way.